So guys, for the first step, you want to go to your Steam library. Now once we're here, in the bottom left, you want to click on Add a Game. Now we're going to click on Add an on Steam game. And now this will come up. And now once we're on this, we should be seeing a bunch of our programs right here, which you can now add. So if you see any of them, you want to click on it, and then click on Add Selected Programs. It will then be added into your Steam library. You could also search for the program as well, if you have a big list. And if your program does not appear in this list, then we're going to click on Browse. Now once we're on this, you want to find your application or the .exe file. So if I go to my desktop, I've got some applications I can add right here. But if you cannot find your application, then you want to head over to search and type in your application name. So let's say that I want to add this random program right here. I'm going to search for it. Now I'm going to right click on it and then click on Open File Location. Now I'm going to right click on it again and then click on Open File Location again. I'm now going to be seeing the exe file of this application. If it does not say .exe for you, then you want to go to View and then click on Show. Make sure that you have file name extensions ticked. It should now be showing your application.exe. So now once we're in our application folder, we're just going to copy the file path. So we're just going to click right here, do Ctrl+C to copy it. We're going to go back to here where it says pick game to add for Steam, and we're going to paste the file path right here. So we're just going to delete this, do Ctrl+V to paste it, and then click on Enter. Now you just want to find your application. Here's my one. I'm going to double click on it, which is now going to add it right here. Now I'm going to click on Add Selected Programs. And I now have it right here. I can just launch it through here. That's how you do it.